My name is Professor Gonzalez, and I am going to be your instructor this semester, this spring semester, for your PSYT 1313 class. I wanted to give you a couple of heads up before class starts so that you could get going and make sure you come prepared. First of all, we're going to use the on-course textbook. Looks like this. This is a study skills version, so yours won't have this here. But this is pretty much what the book looks like. It's by Skip Downing. You need to make sure that you buy a textbook that has an APLIA access code. We will use APLIA. It's an online website to complete assignments that go along with our book. You definitely have to have APLIA access. It is not anything physical. It is just going to be a sequence of numbers and letters that come in the front cover of your book. It's just an access code, and then you enter it into the online website and it gives you access to our specific class so that you can do assignments that I've put out related to the book. You must buy a book with APLIA access. Now, if you buy a book that doesn't have APLIA access, you're going to have to buy an access code separate. That is going to be probably the same cost, if not more, than the book that you already purchased. So it's best to buy a book that already has the access code bundled. If you buy a used textbook, it will not have an APLIA access code in it because it's used. So if you buy a used book, then you're going to have to buy an APLIA access code, which is probably about the same price as the book brand new. So save yourself time, hassle, and money and just buy the access code with the book. In our bookstore, it's about $60 bundled together for the APLIA access code and the book, and that's brand new. You don't have to buy it from our bookstore. You can buy it online or from another retailer, but just know that if you buy a used book, you are going to need to buy an access code online from the book publisher or from our bookstore. So please ensure that whatever text you are buying for our class has the APLIA access code with it. They sell it in our bookstore. They also sell it online at Cengage.com, and they sell it anywhere else. They may sell textbooks, but just ensure that you're getting what you need so that you don't have to pay twice. Make sure you have APLIA on the first day if you have your textbook on the first day. You need to secure these materials as soon as possible because we will hit the ground running. Very quickly we will start working. In addition to that, our eCampus website is up. You may have logged into eCampus already. It's different than eConnect. But if you have not logged into eCampus, now is the time to log into eCampus and figure it out. Look around. Make sure you can get into eCampus. Do not come to class the first day and not have logged into eCampus because you will be sorely behind. And if you have issues, you're just going to get further and further behind because we will start working from eCampus and APLIA from the first day. Okay? So if you can't get into eCampus, that's something to figure out now, so that you can contact the help desk, maybe email me, and so we can see what's going on and figure out how to get you in. But log on to eCampus, click on our PSYT 1313 class, open the syllabus, read over the syllabus, look around at other things. There are APLIA videos on there and PowerPoint that explain more about APLIA, talk more about APLIA, and what to do with your access code when you get an access code. These are all things that you want to look at now. You might not understand them all now and it might feel overwhelming right now, but if you at least look at them now, investigate them a little bit, look around, when we do talk about them in class, you'll at least know what I'm talking about and you'll know the questions you have when you get to class and I start talking about things. Otherwise, you'll fall behind before we even start. So your number one task is to log into eCampus before class starts. Now I can see how many times you've logged into eCampus, when you last logged into eCampus, when you do log in eCampus. So I will definitely know if you've logged into eCampus or not. So you definitely want to do that. And you want to have the syllabus read, you want to look over it, because these are all things, if you have questions, that you need to come to class with so that I can answer. Because like I said, we will hit the ground running. We're going to have a great semester. It's going to be super fun, super fast paced, but we're going to have a lot of fun. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. That's the best way to get a hold of me. You can also call my office as well, and all that information is in the syllabus. So log on to eCampus, open it up, and look at it. I'm really looking forward to meeting you, and I'm looking forward to the semester. I love this class, and it's great. Have a good one.